Alright, just let me drink my smoothie before I get sucked into this game. What the heck is this? I'm in a tutorial. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. I just gotta do everything. Hey creator, can you speed this up? Fight! Hey, get over here, you stupid lusty. I'm gonna break your balls out. Nah, bro, I'm just a duck and I'm trying to beat this frog up. And this monkey cat, you're gonna get sucked up in the ball sack. What the hell, guys? I'm drowned. Your number is to stay fight. Fight! You're gonna choke in your stupid ball. You're gonna get nuked in your sack. Get over here, ducky, you drag me over. You're froggy, stupid ass head. Why can't we just figure this out? Cause you're stupid as heck, Froggy. Ah!